Imagine the fate of World War II being altered by a forgotten typewriter. In 1941, in the shadowy alleys of Lisbon, British spy Juan Pujol García, codenamed Garbo, was setting up the ultimate con. Garbo had convinced the Nazis he was their most valuable asset, feeding them a web of lies woven through his trusty typewriter. He fabricated an entire network of spies, none of whom existed outside his imagination. The information he provided was so convincing that the Nazis never questioned its validity. Garbo's masterpiece? Operation Fortitude. Through a series of meticulously crafted reports, he made the Nazis believe that the D-Day landings would occur in Pas-de-Calais rather than Normandy. This deception led to the diversion of German forces, significantly contributing to the success of the Allied invasion. The man with a typewriter outwitted an empire, proving that sometimes the pen, or in this case the typewriter, is truly mightier than the sword.